What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are stepping away from our safe neutral tones today, our browns and our taupes, and we are going to create a monochromatic peach look for summertime. Peach looks so good on tan skin. This is when I will use peach eyeshadow the most, is when I have a nice tan going on, and I just love the way that it looks with my blue eyes, as well as just kind of offsetting the cooler tones in deep set eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this peach makeup look, then just keep watching. All right, I really sculpted out my cheekbones for this look, not on purpose, just because I was putting on my contour and bronzer and it just looked a little messy, so I went under it with my Merit Beauty little makeup stick here and just kind of cleaned it up at the bottom, brightens up underneath the contour, so it just makes it look a little bit more chiseled. All right, so we're gonna do a peachy look today, perfect for summertime. Peachy on the eyes, gonna go look really nicely with deep set eyes just because of all of the darkness there. The peach is going to be like a complementary color to that and kind of help blur it out. So I'm going to start off with my Lottie London Cloud Color Long Wearing Matte Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Peach Out. And we're going to just kind of use this as a base for the eyeshadow. I was looking for my, so I'm just putting this all over the lid. I was looking for my little peach eyeshadow palette from Essence Cosmetics, and I could not find, oh see, just instantly the peach tone just really makes your eyes pop, makes your lid pop, makes our blue eyes pop. Yeah, I could not find my little palette. So we're gonna improvise today, and we're gonna use some peach blushes to create this look. I'm gonna take this peach blush from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade Peach Bliss, so just find any of your favorite peach blushes if you don't have a peach palette. And I'm just going to put that in the crease first, and then I might try a darker peach blush after that. Go up on the brow bone a bit. And I'm going in the crease and kind of just horizontally, instead of like when I usually do it with my bronzer where I'm going up here. Just keeping it kind of like horizontal. Okay, with the same brush, I'm gonna go into Sweet Cheeks by NYX. This one is in the shade Summer Breeze, and this one is a little bit more of a deeper, like brownish peach, we'll say. There's a little bit more depth to this one. So put that on the outer corner. Now with the squared off brush, I'm going to go into Sweet Cheeks again and just go underneath my lash line. I'm going to take this eyeliner from Essence, I believe, yep, Essence Cosmetics. This is in the shade Silky Nude, and I'm going to go along the lash line just to make the lid pop a little more. Just to add some bright contrast to the peach. Now I'm going to go into blush on my cheeks. I'm going to take the Essence Baby Got Blush in the shade Peaches and Cream. And I'm just going to use my finger for this and just pop that up on the apples of my cheeks. I'm just going to kind of stick to the apples of my cheeks. It looks really nice with just the tan around the face and then just the peach kind of all in the center of the face. And then it's just tying into the eyeshadow and it's all monochromatic. So I just have a little bit of NYX lip liner in the shade Oak on and some Vaseline. So I'm going to go into the Baby Got blush that we use on our cheeks, and I'm just going to add a little bit of that for a little bit of color and a little bit of peachiness. That is really pretty on the lips, actually. All right, this is the final look for our monochromatic peachy look for summer. Peach looks so nice with our tan skin. It looks so nice with blue or green eyes, brown eyes as well, I'm sure. But yeah, super easy. I will link all the products that I used in the video today in the description box below if you would like to shop them for yourselves. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.